Okay, I'm back, y'all. So, as a teacher, his bus driver, other teachers, like some little cards or whatever, just saying thank you for taking care of my child for his first year of school. Really excited about him being in school for the first year, and sad that it's over just that fast. But anyway, I want to go ahead and show you guys a good way for you to show your appreciation to your kids' teachers, and the people that's taking care of them. Like, KJ has, of course, his regular teacher. So I'm doing something for her, and then his bus driver, because I feel like, with his bus driver, driving is dangerous. Driving with kids is even more dangerous. So I feel like I want to show her my appreciation for getting my son to school and back home safely every day. So I'm gonna start out with the bus driver stuff. It don't matter who I start with, but here's the cup. I decided to go ahead and put their stuff in a cup because it's getting hot, so give them a cup or whatever. So I'm gonna start off with the deco tape, and I'm like a person that loves to color coordinate, so I'm gonna give her like blue and gold, and then give the his teacher the rest of them. Their notebooks or whatever. So that's what I did. She has some deco tape, a pen, some magnets. I'm going to give her a little card. So I'll go ahead and write a little note to her, put it in the card. So I'm going to take some of that deco tape, and I'm going to tape it to the cup, just like that. Let's put that back in there. And then she'll have her book to go with it. So we got some candy, and I'm going to take some candy and just toss it in there. So we're going to do the top on it, and that's it. So she'll have that, and we're going to put it in a bag. So that's it for those. They have their book in there, and they have a cup that has some goodies in it. So just something really simple that you can say, thank you so much for taking care of my kids throughout this year. All live in different states, so I know that all the kids don't finish school at the same time. So I know this is a late video, and I'm just last minute today. Tomorrow is KJ's last day of school, and I'm just now getting this stuff. But this is just a really good idea for the end of school, even at the beginning of school, just welcoming your kid into another year of school. You can do the same exact thing. So this is just one particular option that you can do, and then the option that you have for your kids to give to their teachers to say thank you. Okay, so this design was made using my Cricut machine. So what I did was I cut out a design that I really liked, and I used my heat press machine, and I pressed the design onto these tote bags. These tote bags I got from Walmart, but you can also get them from either Joann Fabrics or Michaels, or Dollar Tree have them if you can snag them when you see them, because they're always gone. But these cups, tumblers, I got those from Dollar Tree as well. And the names, I cut those off my Cricut machine as well. But one thing about using like vinyl, you can always find like
designs. They'll have letters, things like that that's already cut out for you at Joann Fabric or Michael's. And you don't have to use your Cricut machine or anything like that. You just have to use the designs that they already have at the store. But you can do this same exact thing. It's so easy, and all of them have instructions on easy application and things like that. This is a very inexpensive gift that you can give your kids' teachers for either the beginning of the school year or the end of the school year, just showing your appreciation for what they do for our kids every year. So it turned out really, really cute. I really enjoyed doing this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this as well, and take some examples from it and do it for yourself.
All right, y'all, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give up a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed, okay? Click that button, click the bell, so you can know the next time we upload a video. Until next time, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.